in the life of a data analyst who is working in a company, this year over year growth is often a key performance indicator that he monitors or tells, or he has to just tell to decision takers, team lead, or senior managers to understand what is a year on year growth, to first understand what does that actually mean. So you calculate the growth percentage of a particular year as compared to a previous year. Now, how to find it? So, in a particular scenario, you must be working in a database, or you must be working with a database where you will get all these things, that is the growth rates. Now, what you will do, so I'm just assuming that there's a database and you have a particular date column in which a date of particular sale is there, and another column that has a sale. Now what happens that in a particular date also there can be multiple sales or multiple transactions, and different sales is recorded in the other column. Now how do you approach this, or how do you solve this problem with the SQL? So what you do, then you first need to extract the year out of the date column. So you use the year function, and then what you do, you group by the year. Now after grouping by the year, you do the sum of the total sales column. So at last what you get is that a particular year is there, and you get the total sales in that year. Now what you need to do, you to find the growth of a particular year as compared to its previous year, you must be having this all in an ascending order, not a descending order. So you had to order it by the year of year column, you have to order it by. Now what happens that you have to first subtract the previous year sales from the current year sales. So in this kind of scenarios you have to use the kind of lag function here. You can use it. So what you do, you multiply, like subtract the current sum of total sales minus lag and sum of total sales, that is the previous sales data. So what do you get? That is the difference between the previous year and the current year growth. Now to just to get the growth rate, you have to divide it by the previous year sales and multiply it by 100. So that is how you get the actual year on year growth for a particular year as compared to the previous year. So now this is all. How do you approach it in a SQL kind of format? Here you use different kind of functions like lag. Now you have to also order by and over clause in that, because you have to first order it over that, and this is how the whole problem is solved. Now what is actually YOY growth, like how is it important? It simply gives you that in a particular year how much the difference or the growth that you can tell to someone, or you understand the how's the business going on. So it is a very important KPI that is often used in any businesses. And another that is important is a CAGR. So that is a topic for a different video, but I think this topic I has explained a little bit good. And if I join anyone as a data analyst, so I just have this approach and can solve this problem or find this thing from a database. Thank you.